Yo, and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be buying a yacht in Southern Mudding. So I already bought the yacht. I'm going to pick it up. But yeah, I'm going to take my rafter. But yeah, so if y'all haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subs by my birthday, which that's August 15th. We're coming up on my birthday. My birthday is almost here. So yeah, hopefully we can hit 100 subs. Yeah, we're almost at the trailer place. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go boating, like after I buy it, to test it out. Yeah, the car wash has been doing really good. That's why I wanted to buy this boat. Yeah, so, after I think I'm going to go to the chicken place, before, because I'm kind of hungry. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut through the grass. But yeah, I'm just gonna park up right here. So yeah, gonna go there, and I think I want a chicken box or whatever, chicken sandwich, some fried chicken, French fries. I need some French fries. Then I need a drink. Y'all give me an ice cream. Yeah. So I'm going to go to the trailer place to get my yacht. But yeah. Whoa, I hit that. My truck was acting weird. That's my yacht over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and back up to my yacht. Yeah. Let me go like this. There we go. So there we go. So now I'm going to go to the beach. And yeah, I even got my custom plate on this boat. Yeah, so I gotta avoid the traffic lights, because I got the antennas on my boat. So yeah, we're almost at the beach. I think I'm gonna take this shortcut. But yeah, I really don't know. Whoa. Well, back what I was saying, I really don't know how I'm gonna store this. I don't know. But yeah, so we're almost at the beach. Yeah, so, let me know in the comments if y'all do like my new yacht. Yeah, so we're almost at the beach. Yeah, and oh, I missed the turn. Whoa! I crashed for the second time today. I need to stop crashing. Think my boat's okay. But yeah, so we're turning into the boat ramp. So yeah, just gonna back up to the water. Gotta pull forward a little bit. Yeah. So put it in the water. Whoa. I need to fix my driving. I think I may need to go to like a driving school or something. But yeah, gonna release the boat now. Then yeah, and we are struggling, but looks like we got it. And I think I'm just gonna park my truck, like right here. I feel like right here's good. But yeah, so let's go and hop on my yacht now. I'm gonna eat my chicken sandwich, real fast. Oh no, I got in the water. But yeah, gonna hop in the driver's seat. Yeah, so just gonna back up. And then gonna go to like the ocean area. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna try to find a good spot, and let's hit this ramp real fast. That was kind of cool. But yeah, I want to find a like a cool spot that has some shade. I think I'm gonna go to that like, I don't know what it's called, like the thing over there. Yeah, this thing over here. I think I'm gonna go under it because it had some shade. And I think I might go swimming. So I think right here should be good. So yeah, now let's go ahead and eat. So I'm gonna get my my food box, and I think I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna save that for later. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it under there, so no water gets it or anything. But I think I might go swimming. And I think I might go swimming. So yeah, let's go ahead and put my food, my fried chicken right there. Then let's go and eat my chicken sandwich. And yeah, so let's go and drink my drink and then eat my ice cream. Yeah, and my let's go and eat my fried chicken now. So if y'all did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.